blistering cold, hurricane-force winds, and close to 50 inches of blinding snow. Officials are calling the Christmas blizzard the worst winter storm to blow through Buffalo.
This blizzard is the one for the ages. Certainly it is the blizzard of the century.
At least 28 people have died in western New York, and the death toll is only expected to rise. New York Governor Kathy Hochul says she's spoken to many first responders as the search, rescue, and recovery continues.
Going into homes, going into vehicles, and too many tragic times finding people who did not survive the experience.
The storm is forcing driving bans to continue in Buffalo and surrounding communities, with the lesser travel advisories everywhere else. Many on Buffalo's east side are still stuck in their homes, while vehicles still litter side streets and highways.
There's cars everywhere, pointing the wrong direction on roads. There's abandoned buses on roads, so it's a very, very tenuous situation.
China has a population of 1.4 billion, and the government has long been worried about the shortage of doctors and hospital beds. This is a problem, especially in rural areas. A 3-day national holiday is coming up later this month. There is also the Lunar New Year holiday in January. Many people will return to their hometowns, raising the likelihood of infections spreading in rural areas with older populations. The country is still struggling to vaccinate elderly people, and there are fears that a spread of infection in rural areas could lead to lots of serious illness and death. The government seems committed to easing restrictions for the sake of economic recovery. But how committed will it be if cases continue to rise? We will get a clear answer in January and February. That's when experts say infections in China will peak.